Hello and welcome back with another tutorial. Today I am gonna explain how you can check your operating system, whether you have 64-bit operating system on your system or 32-bit operating system. So you have to go to this PC on your system. Maybe it would be my computer, this PC or PC, whatever it is. Click here. This is the home page of your PC. Okay, so click anywhere on the blank screen, right click here, go to properties. These are the system properties of your laptop or your device. So the operating system, here is the operating system I have Windows 10 Education Edition. Okay, it's released by Microsoft, so all rights are reserved by Microsoft.com. What are the system? I have processor Intel Core TM i7, CPU, okay, and I am having 2.2 gigahertz processor. So I have octa-core 2.2 gigahertz processor. The internal memory, or also called RAM, random access memory, that is 8 GB. What is the type of operating system? It's 64-bit. Okay, 64-bit operating system and x64 based processor. So there are two type of operating system. One is 64-bit operating system with x64 based processor, and second one is 32-bit operating system with x86 based processor. So whenever you want to install any software on your operating system, on your device, you have to visit here to ensure which operating system you have. Okay, then pen and touch support with 10 touch points. So my system is having touch. So it's given here that I have a touch system. Then my computer name is this, full name is this, work group is this. Okay, window activation. This is the window activation ID, etc. that I have. Now on the left side, you can see device manager. Click here on device manager. So these are all devices which are connected to my laptop, which is connected to my system. So audio input and outputs. Click here and you will see how many audio internal or external ports you are having. These are the hardware devices which are connected or embedded on your system. So audio input and outputs, okay, batteries. I am having battery on my system and also an AC adapter, which means the charger is connected to my laptop. Okay, you can see here power mode plugged in, better battery, which means I have a plugged in charger, which is indicated here as a hardware device. Okay, again you can see Bluetooth. So here are the Bluetooth devices which I have connected to my system. These are not currently connected, but often and on and off I connect these devices to my system. So these are Bluetooth devices. Then cameras. I have only one integrated webcam, which are the built-in cameras available with our laptops. If you are using a computer or desktop version, then you would have to connect external webcam. So when you will connect an external webcam, that will be mentioned here. Now computer, I have only one processor running on my computer, so it's available here, 64 based processor. Dell utilities, my laptop brand is Dell, so here are the Dell utilities. After that, Disk drives, these are the disk drives. After that, display adapter, here are the display adapter. Intel R HD graphics 4600. And I have a graphic card which is dedicated graphic card used for the graphic designing purpose, and this is NVIDIA Quadro K 1100M based graphic card which is connected to my processor. After that, human interface devices. These are the human interface devices which are available on my system. After that, IDE ATA ATP adapter. So this is standard controller which is available. After that, dynamic platform. My system was octa-core, so I have 8 processor available here, which are the dynamic platforms. If your system is dual core, then here you will see just 2 processor. If it's quad core, then 4 processor, octa-core, 8 processor, and so on. Keyboards, I have one HAD keyboard device and standard PS2 keyboard. Uh, HAD mean the visual keyboard which are available on our laptops. If I click here, this is HID keyboard, and the other keyboard is the hardware part of our device. Memory technologies. After that, mic and other pointing devices. I have dull touchpad, which is the touchpad which is available on our laptops. Second one is I am having an external Bluetooth device mouse. Monitor, I have only one display here, so it's showing us one monitor. Network adapter, these are the network adapter I have. Bluetooth device, internet, wireless broadband, which is used for connection of Wi-Fi and other network adapters. These are the Bluetooth devices I have connected with my laptop. Other devices contain Bluetooth peripheral device, nearby server socket, SMS, MMS, SMS, MMS devices. So these are the built-in devices which are available on the motherboard of our laptop. Then print queues, these are the printer I can connect with my laptop. After that, processors, so I have 8 processors which are given here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And you can see all processors are the same because they are made by Intel and all of them are 2.4 gigahertz. After that, here is the software devices I have. These are the software devices. Then sound, video, game controller. These are the sound devices I have connected with my system. After that, you can see the storage controllers. These are storage controller I have. System devices, these are the system devices which are the huge number of the devices. All these system devices are the ports or hardware which are connected to our main motherboard. So USB devices, mics, cameras, screens, keyboard, mouse, everything would be mentioned here. After that, there are the USB controllers. So these are the USB devices which I often connected with my computer. So if your computer is having any issue, you can visit device manager and check here. If let's suppose if my camera is not working, I will connect here, double click here, go to driver and update driver from here. When you will update the driver, all of your driver would be updated, and if there would be any issue with your device, that would be resolved automatically. Again, let's suppose your mouse is not working. So go here, Dell touchpad. Let's suppose my Dell touchpad is not working. So double click here, go to driver and update driver. if by updating driver your touchpad is still not working, then try to uninstall the device. When you will uninstall the device and then restart your system, your Dell touchpad will be automatically restored to its original position and it will start working. Okay, so cross here again, you will see remote setting. Here are the remote setting, hardware properties, advanced system protection, remote, etc. System protection. These are the system protection you have. If you want to protect your system, click here on the device, protect the system, click on the configure and then click on OK. Advanced system setting. Here you can set advanced system setting. So these are all the properties of your system. Okay. If you have any queries, if you have any question regarding system properties of your computer, you can tell me by commenting under this video. If you have any questions, any issues, or if you want to make me any tutorial for you, just feel free to comment. I will make a detailed and comprehensive tutorial on your issues. So for that, you have to subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon so you never miss any update. Thanks for watching the video and keep visiting my channel for your queries and for the update.